Hey y'all, so today I want to do 10 facts about the lovely aloe plant in your hair, what is beneficial about it, and what is good with your dreadlocks. It's not just good for your dreadlocks, it's good for your regular hair too. Let's get to it. Number one. Alright, so fact one. Aloe plant prevents shedding of your hair, so prevents the breakage, prevents the shedding of your hair to grow really healthy locks. Two, it helps prevent a healthy scalp. And you know what that means? It brings its pH balance to neutral, leaving it hydrated where it's supposed to be, not too much, not too less. Number three, it cleanses the pores on your scalp. So this is practically just like drinking lemon with water and it cleansing your whole body, taking out all of the toxins, leaving your scalp, leaving your stomach as clean, toxin free, taking out toxins. So it does that to your scalp of your head. So fact number four. All right, it prevents, the aloe plant prevents buildup and actually prevents residue forming. Okay, so it's definitely an amazing thing to put on maybe before you shampoo, if you shampoo. I've seen a lot of people start to do that, and yeah, that was fact four. Let's get to fact five. Fact number five. This beautiful, lovely plant right here seals your scalp with moisture that your scalp needs to create and grow lovely, strong hair. Amazing, wonderful properties this plant has. I swear on everything. It's so good for you. Even your body, your face, your skin. Let's go to fact six. Let's get fact number six. It contains a chemical, a property called ace-mannan. Ace-mannan? Ace-mannan. You spell it like A-C-E-M-A-N-N-A-N. Ace-mannan. It's a complex card that removes toxins and dead cells on your scalp. Like, can this plant get any better? Like, what? That's why it's so good for your skin too, for your face, for your whole body. It'll take off all the dead skin cells, leaving you with some freshness. Fact seven. All right, well, my hands are busy right now. 5, 6, 7. It contains the vitamins that you need. Vitamins A, vitamins B1, vitamins B2, vitamins B3, vitamins B6, vitamins B12, vitamins vitamin C, and vitamins E. What? Hold on, let me just walk away from this camera real quick. Got no more facts for y'all. Joking. Let's go to fact 8. Oh, hey. Fact number 8. The aloe plant, which is all around me right now, the aloe plant is residue free. People use it as a shampoo. So residue free. If y'all was wondering what's really good for a shampoo for dreadlocks or for even your regular scalp, aloe. Aloe is a wonderful, and it's in most of the beauty products. It's in a lot of the beauty products, a lot of the shampoos, a lot of the conditioners. Even check yours at home. Maybe it has some in there. You don't even know. But it's residue free and it reduces dandruff on your scalp. So a lot of starter locks, if you have dandruff, itchy scalp and all that, rubbing some aloe on your scalp might bring it back to regularness, I guess, and maybe stop the itching. So I just threw those 2 facts into one. Yeah, I believe so. We got one more fact. So let's get it. I gave you guys an extra fact. Let's do this. This is gonna be fact 10 of these lovely, beautiful plants and what they really do. Let me climb up to the top of this mountain up for you. Look at all these aloe plants, okay? People are sleeping on it. All right. Fact 10. Okay, fact 10. This is the main fact. People always wonder how to grow it faster, grow it stronger. All right, so fact 10, it starts hair growth, okay? It helps your hair growth faster, even more faster. And one of the vitamins in there that mainly does that is vitamin A. So if you want to grow your hair a little bit faster, it's vitamin A, and you could take biotin. Those are the two things that will grow your hair faster. So putting this on your scalp will increase the growth of your hair faster. And I hope y'all liked the video. I'm gonna end it off with one more fact for y'all. And thank you for watching the video. Thank you for watching my other videos. Hope y'all having a wonderful, amazing day. You already know, having a spectacular day. But one thing y'all want to know about is, don't just go out to the store buying any aloe. The aloe in the bottle, the aloe that's green in the bottle has a whole bunch of preservatives and a whole bunch of chemicals in it, so they could preserve it and put it on so it has shelf time. So if I were you, I would just literally get the leaf itself. There is stores that sell the leaf itself. If you have plants outside just like this, just rip off a leaf and do it up, chop it up, mix it up, scrape it up. Don't fall like that up. All right. I'm gonna end this video off with just a little bit of rubbing on my scalp, and I'm out of here. That's it. Hope y'all got some facts. Hope y'all understand the meaning of aloe now. It's not just for your hair. It's wonderful for your hair. It's for your face. It's for your skin. It's for your whole body. You can ingest this. You can put this in your drinks. It's so good for your liver, for your stomach, for your kidneys, for your digestion. It's so amazing for you. I just wanted to drop 10 facts for y'all for today. Happy Thursday. Keep growing. Keep being amazing. Keep being wonderful. You know what I mean? Stay spectacular. That's DEZ Tallfrenchy logging out. All right. Peace out, y'all. Have a good day.
It's good for them. Yeah?
Yeah. It's good for everything.
Yeah?
Your stomach, your hair, your face, your pee-pee. Yeah, it grows it. I look like a crazy guy. But this is what I do.